Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Learning Made Simplified. Let's learn BODMAS Rule. In a mathematical expression using BODMAS Rule, we can able to solve sums easily. BODMAS stands for B for brackets, O for order, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. B for brackets. First, we solve anything inside the brackets. For example, 4 into 5 minus 2. First, solve the bracket. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Next comes order. O for order means powers, squares, cubes, square roots, cube roots. Power means power of any number. For square, a number with power 2, 5 squared. For cube, a number with power 3, 6 cube. Square root of a number, that is square root of 16. We can write 16 as square root of 4 into 4. That is, the answer will be 4. Cube roots means 3 cube root of 8 is 2. If we multiply 2 times 3, we will get 8. Now, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Now, let's try one expression using BODMAS rules. 24 divided by 6 into 5 plus 2 cube minus 4 plus 5. First bracket 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 24 divided by 6 into 5 plus 2 cube minus 9. The answer we get from bracket 9. Next comes order. 2 cube is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. So 24 divided by 6 into 5 plus 8. In the place of 2 cube, we have to write 8 minus 9. Next comes division. 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. So, in the place of 24 divided by 6, we have to write 4 into 5 plus 8 minus 9. Next comes multiplication. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. So, in the place of 4 into 5, we have to write 20 plus 8 minus 9. Next comes addition. 20 plus 8 is equal to 28. Next, subtraction. 28 minus 9 is equal to 19. Happy learning! Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.